Okay, Kosi, I hope everyone is doing good. Molweni Eastern Cape, Molweni worldwide. Yabuliso Chawe. Basically, this day, it was one of those days when I was blessed by Umdal to actually experience and embrace this day. So, let me just take this opportunity and go do my SMOs because the many invite to go what Department of Arts and Culture to actually do i-registrations eze-SMOs kulapho kona ndidibana nee-backup vocalists zam uLuthando Blandile noSnovuyo Mbasana. There were supposed to be others ke but ke khange bakwazi ukuphumelela yabo, but it was just a blessing day naxa ibinezinto ezi-in between mane ezifanana yabo. Apha besincedisa uLuthando ke akwazi ukudibanisa ii-documents zakhe zonke, but into endifuna uyithetha kuni nonke man, especially the artist, we are alone. We are alone. Akho mntu uza kunceda nalo ubucinga fanele uza kunceda is very expensive to help you, and ukuba ufuna umbhatala uzawusika ikeyiki yakhe. Abanye bazibiza boot manager. Definitely uzawusika ikeyiki yakhe. If you can just stand up and do yonke into ngokunokwakho, do your admin, man. Do izinto that you are not comfortable ukuba zenze unless you're gonna take that path. It's not like inzima la path. You can just take it, be under a record label or whatsoever, but I suggest that to be independent. But even uba independent ubuza nezinto zayo. It was just that day, man. Qina. Stick on it. Enza la nto comfortable on ukuyenza. Yenze. So that ungazolilela mntu. It was just that day besenza zo registrations and ndifunde loo nto man, cela ume enyaleni lakho, whatever that you're doing, trust it, qina kuyo, camakho.